Take a ride in the 2015 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.